Hey guys, so today I'm gonna try to spill coffee on these rugs and see if I can get them out. I have two vacuum extractors. I have this one right here and this one. So let's see if we can spill it. Just vacuum them. So here we go and spill it. This is coffee, as you can see. Coffee. Let it soak in there. Let it soak in there. So yeah, let that sit for about 5 minutes. About 5 minutes, and then we're gonna start extracting. Yeah. So we're gonna start out with this one. You can see, and we're gonna use this one for this one. Take out the coffee. And it came with the stain removal, and for the second one, we're gonna use the bigger one. So yeah. Here on this little one, I used the red one. Pretty nice. Doesn't smell like coffee anymore. And now I put a line in the middle. I should have done this earlier. Used that carpet for the blue one, this carpet for the red one, but it's too late for that. So I put a piece of tape in the middle. The left side is gonna be the blue one, and the right side is gonna be the red one. And we're gonna see which one did better and what my opinions on them. So yeah. One side, all that nasty water, all that coffee. This is one side, it's perfectly dry. Maybe off my fingers, a little wet. And now we're just gonna do the other side with the red one and see which one's better. And the red one was on the right. You see what it done, how it looks. Looks okay. And then the blue one was on the left. You can see the difference. I prefer the blue one because it has a smaller and it gets the edges. And the big one just is tough to get the edges, so it doesn't fit. So in my opinion, I like the blue one better. So hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you're new and stay watching. Peace out.